A very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths Online Classes. Today class is IIT Foundation Mathematics. IIT Foundation Mathematics. Today topics. What are the today topics? Topics are irrational numbers and density property and properties of irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers and solve the problems. These are today topics. So children, in the previous class we learned the rational numbers and properties of rational numbers and formulas we learned. Today class is irrational numbers topics. Good afternoon my dear students. Today we are discussing about density property. Today we are discussing about density property of irrational numbers. Already we learned in the previous classes density property of rational numbers. What is the definition of density property of rational numbers? Between any two given rational numbers, there exists uncountable rational numbers. Uncountable. It means of what is the meaning of uncountable? Did not counting the rational numbers. This property of rational numbers is called density property. That is a rational numbers of density property. Today in this topic, irrational numbers topic, the property of density property. The property of density property. So here, the definition of there are infinitely many irrational numbers. Same this topic also, there are infinitely many irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. This property known as property of density property or denseness property. Listen carefully. There are infinitely many irrational numbers. Many irrational numbers. There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers. The property is called a density property. Once observe that there are infinitely many irrational numbers. It means of uncountable irrational numbers. It means of uncountable. There are infinitely many irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. That is called a density property of irrational numbers. Did you understand, children? There are uncountable irrational numbers between any two rational numbers. This property is called a density property. Okay, children? So, for example, find any two rational numbers. Find any two rational numbers. Find any two rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. We know that 1 by 5 is a decimal number. First you write the solution. First you write the 1 by 5 decimal number. So first you do the division method. It is a denominator and a numerator. So it is possible, not possible. So keep the point and take the 0. How many times are possible? 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10. So here write remainder 0. What is the decimal number? 0.2. So and next one 2 by 7. Here denominator is the 7 and the numerator is the 2. Again do the division. Possible? No. Keep the point and take the 0. 7, 7 ones 7, 7 twos 14, 7 threes 21. So you write the 2 times 14. Borrowing 10 minus 4, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. Here keep 0 and how many times of possible? 7, 1, 7, 7 twos right here. 7, 1, 7, 7 twos 14, 7 threes 21. 7 fours 28, 7 fives 35, 7 6 42, 7 sevens 49, 7 eights 56, 7 nines 63, 7 tens 70. Okay, so here 60 is there. 7 9 63 more than 7 8 56 less than, so here write 7 8 56 remaining. Here borrowing 10 minus 6 4 5 minus 5 0. Again take the 0. Already here keep the point, you take the 0. 7th table less than 40 are here 7 6 42 more than 40. 7 5 35 less than 40. Here write 7 5 35. So here borrowing 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 3, 0. So again you have to take the 0. So 50, 7 sevens 49. Here write 50 minus 49, 1. Again take the 0. 1 times 7 1 7. Here 3. Should write here 3. Again take the 0. How many times of possible? 4 times. 28. Remaining is there? 2 is there. Take the 0 and 7 how many times of possible? 7 2s are 14. Again 6. So once you observe that process, 20, 14, again 6. You have to take the 0 after 7. 8s are 56. Same numbers. You will give the same numbers. So here write 0.285714. Same. Here write 2, 8, 5 like this 7. So here write is the repeating numbers. We should write here borrowing 2s 8 5 7 4 like this only. Okay, because of after 4 after write the 1 2 3 4 digits you will get in. Okay, did you understand children? Again 2 8 5 7 4 numbers are repeating. So here 0.28574 bar. Okay. Find any two rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So here did you understand children? This is also irrational numbers. Irrational numbers including of decimals also. So here 0, 2 and 0.28574. These are rational numbers between any 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. Okay children, did you understand? Next one is an irrational numbers lying between A and B. Irrational number lying between A and B is root of AB. Root of AB. It is a formula, it is an important concept. Irrational numbers lying between A and B is root AB. In the previous class, irrational numbers lying between A and B is A plus B by 2. That is a rational numbers formula. In this case, irrational numbers lying between A and B is root AB. That is formula is root AB. So next one it is also important point. And irrational numbers between an irrational numbers between root A and root B is root A and root B. Substitute the root AB. So here write root A place considered to root A into B place is considered to root B. So here write square root of A power 1 by 2 into B power 1 by 2. Because of remove the root, we should write here A power 1 by 2 into B power 1 by 2. Here write, so here also remove the square root. So here write A by 2 into B by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So comparing the loss of exponents, AB whole power A power m into B power m whole power n equal to A power m into n into B power m into n. Okay children, did you understand? So write here A power 1 by 4 into B power 1 by 4. So we should write here, this is also like this power of fourth power square root of AB. Fourth square root of AB, because of it is a power of both terms of power is the 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. We should write here fourth square root of AB or AB whole power 1 by 4. A power m into B power m is equal to AB whole power m. A power m into B power m equal to AB whole power m. It is a loss of exponent. Comparing with the A power 1 by 4 into B power 1 by 4 equal to AB whole power 1 by 4 or fourth root of AB. Fourth square root of AB. Fourth root of AB. Did you understand children? And irrational numbers between root A and root B is substituting a formula. Or in this case, or next another formula, root A plus root B by 2. Root A plus root B by 2. This is also using. Okay, and irrational numbers between root A and root B is root A plus root B by 2. Okay, in this case at the same time the process of irrational numbers lying between A and B is root AB. Did you understand children? Now we do the example problems. These formulas by using example problems. Example. Before the concept examples, find two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. What is the formula? Two irrational numbers between A and B. Irrational numbers between A and B equal to square root of AB. Okay. Now we should compare the 2 and 3. Find two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. So here write irrational numbers between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is equal to square root of 2 into 3. Right here 2 3s are 6. That is if irrational numbers between 2 and 3 is root 6. Next similarly 2 and root 6. Comparing with the 2 and root 6. Same. Similarly irrational numbers 2 and root 6 between. Irrational numbers between 2 and root 6 is equal to square root of 2 into root 6 because of it is a and it is b, root ab. A into b. Here write square root of 2 into 6 power 1 by 2. 2 into 6 power 1 by 2. Write here 2 square root of, sorry here write 2 into 6 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 because of remove the square root. Because of remove the square root is equal to 2 into 6 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So right here write a power a into b whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. We should write here 2 power 1 by 2 into 6 power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So write here 2 power 1 by 2 into 6 power 1 by 4. 6 power 1 by 4. How to write this root 2 power 1 by 2 into 6 power 1 by 4? How can you write that? The right or like this also. Root of 2 into root 6. Up to here conclusion, or 2 power 1 by 2 into 6 power 1 by 4. So root 6 and next root 6 and 2 root 6 or lie numbers are lie between 2 and 3 irrational numbers. 2 and 3 irrational numbers. Did you understand, children? Comparing with the irrational numbers between a and b equal to root ab by using the root ab formula. Okay. Okay, children, find two irrational numbers between 2 and 3 is here write root 6 and 2 power 1 by 2 into 6 power 1 by 4 irrational numbers. Okay, children. So this is the one example. So here because to here given to the only not square root numbers, just it is integers 2 and 3. Here given to the next example, find two irrational numbers between root 3 and root 5. Same using the formula. What is the formula? Solution. What is the formula? As two irrational numbers between a and b equal to square root of a into b or ab. So here write square root of root 3 into root 5. So what is the formula here? One substitute that root a into root b equal to root ab. So because of square only here write square is there and b also square is there. So we should write here root ab formula. Okay. So here write root of 3 into 5. So here write square root of root 15. Okay, children. First inside of square root of remove. So here 1 by 2. 15 whole power 1 by 2. Again in this case of remove the square root. So write 15 1 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Remove the square root. We should write here power 1 by 2. Did you understand, children? How can you write here 1 by 2? You remove the square root. We should write here power of 1 by 2. So 15 power 1 by 2. So here final square root of remove that 1 by 2. So here it is a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n formula. By using a power m into whole power n equal to a power m into n. We should write here 15 power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Write here 15 power 1 1s are 1 by 2 2's 4 or fourth root of 15. Fourth root of 15. So next consider to root 3 and 4 root 15. At the same, square root of AB equal to square root of root 3 into fourth root of 15. This is also same, right? 3 power 1 by 2 into 15 power 1 by 4. So here also remove the square root. 3 power 1 by 2 into 15 power 1 by 4 whole power 1 by 2. Okay children, did you understand? Yeah, right. So multiply the each and every term. 3 power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 15 power 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. Right here is equal to 3 power 1 ones by 2 twos 4 into 15 power 1 ones by 4 twos are 8, or like this also, right? Fourth root, here write fourth root of 3 into 8th root of 15. Fourth root of 3 into 8th root of 15. Okay children, did you understand? These two problems are irrational numbers lie between the A and B is equal to root AB using a formula. Okay children? Okay. The next topic is properties of irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers. Already we learned in the properties of rational numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division methods, identity properties like that. Okay. In this case of properties of irrational numbers also, addition topic and subtraction topics, multiplication topics and coefficient topics are there. Okay children. So addition topic, you have to take any two irrational numbers. Any two irrational numbers, we will get rational number or irrational number. It means of addition, the sum of two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers, we will get rational number or irrational numbers. Once observe that. Okay children, first topic is the addition topic. What is the first topic? Addition. Addition topic. The sum of two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers is either rational or irrational numbers. Okay, the sum of two irrational numbers is either rational number. Q means rational, Q complement or Q dash is irrational numbers. Okay, the sum of two, for example, the sum of two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers, 3 plus root 5 irrational this is, and 9 minus root 5. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. So here write it is a one of the irrational number and it is the another of the irrational number. 3 plus root 5. The sum of the two irrational numbers. 3 plus root 5 plus 9 minus root 5. So here write 3 plus root 5 plus into plus 9 plus into minus root 5. Here write minus root 5 plus root 5 cancelled. Remaining what will be there? 3 plus 9 equal to 12. 12 is a rational number. 12 is a rational number. Did you understand children? You have to take the any two rational numbers. The properties of addition, we will get a rational number. 12 is a rational number. It is the properties of addition. Properties of irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers, we will get a rational number. Did you understand children? The sum of two irrational numbers, we will get a rational numbers. Okay. Next, another example. Another example, 7 plus root 3 and minus 2 minus 4 root 3. These are two irrational numbers. These are two irrational numbers. So once observe that the sum of two irrational numbers means 7 plus root 3 plus minus 2 minus 4 root 3. So here write 7 plus root 3 plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 4 root 3. So here first we will write the single terms, rational numbers. 7 minus 2 plus root 3 side by side write minus 4 root 3. Okay children, 7 minus 2, 5. So here it is not there of a coefficient, it is a 1. 1 root 3 minus 4 root 3. 4 root 3 minus 1 root 3. Remaining how many is there? 3. So we should write here 3 root 3. So it is belongs to irrational number. Did you understand children? The sum of two irrational numbers is we will get a rational number, and here also two rational numbers. In this next example, here also we have to take the two irrational numbers, then do the sum of irrational numbers, we will get a irrational number. So it is either, so the definition is the sum of two irrational number is either rational number or irrational number. Did you understand children? This is two process, that is a properties of irrational numbers of addition. Okay. Next one, subtraction topics. Next one is the subtraction. Next one, properties of irrational numbers, subtraction. Okay children. So here the difference means subtraction. The difference of two irrational numbers, of two irrational numbers is either rational or irrational numbers. Okay children, subtraction also, the difference of two irrational numbers is either rational or irrational numbers. Example, so here I have to take the two irrational numbers, that is 8 plus root 7 and 5 plus root 7. Okay children, we have to take the 8 plus root 7 and 5 plus root 7 is these two terms are irrational numbers. Okay. So here the difference means subtraction. 8 plus root 7 minus 5 plus root 7. Right here 8 plus root 7 plus minus into plus minus 5 minus into plus minus root 7 plus root 7 minus root 7 cancel. So here write remaining 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is the 3. 3 is a rational number. 3 is a rational number. The difference of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. Here we will get a rational number. I have to take the another example. Next example, 3 minus root 5. 3 minus root 5 and 2 plus 3 root 5. Okay. So the difference between two irrational numbers, 3 minus root 5 minus 2 plus 3 root 5. Okay. So here write the 3 minus root 5, minus into plus minus 2, minus into plus minus 3 root 5. Okay, here write 3 minus 2, write here rational numbers side by right, and next root 5 minus 3 root 5. So here 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 means 1, will get 1. Here minus root 5 and minus 3 root 5. We are here adding. Both our symbols are negative, but we are adding and keep the symbol of minus. So here 3 root 5 plus root 5. How many root 5s is there? 4 root 5. Minus 4 root 5. So it is belongs to irrational number. Okay children? You have to take any two irrational number. The difference is neither rational number or irrational number. Okay children? The next topic is the product. Next topic is properties of irrational numbers, multiplications. Multiplication. The product of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. Same. The product of two irrational numbers. The product of two irrational. The product of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational numbers. The product of two irrational. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So we have to take the one example. 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. These are two irrational numbers. The product means multiplication. The product means multiplication. So here write 3 into. So it is considered to A plus B and it is considered to A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here we should write here 3 square. Once observe that here the two terms are, first A is A3, here also A is A3. Here also B is a root 5 and here 2 root 5. So these two terms are same and the symbol is the one is the positive, one is the negative. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square by using. Okay. 3 square minus root 5 whole square. Square root cancel. 3 3s are 9. Because we write here 3 square means 3 is writing 2 times minus 5. So here write 3 3s are 9 minus 5 equal to 4. 4 belongs to rational number. 4 belongs to rational number. It is a two irrational numbers. We will get a rational numbers. Next example, we have to take the another example. So here you have to take the same numbers and symbols only difference. So here write 7 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. One more example, 7 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 2. The properties of irrational numbers of multiplication. So you have to take the two irrational numbers, the product of two irrational numbers, 7 plus root 3 into 3 plus root 2. Product means multiplication. So it is 7 into 3 plus root 2 and plus root 3 into 3 plus root 2. Did you understand, children? In the first term of the first one is multiply total term and the second one is the multiply by total term. Okay, children? So here write multiply inside 7 into 3 plus into plus plus 7 into root 2. Okay, plus root 3 into 3 plus into plus plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Here write 7 3s are 21 plus 7 root 2 plus 3 root 3. 3 root 3 plus here write root 3 2 because of root a into root b equal to root ab. Okay, children, so here write 21 plus 7 root 2 plus 3 root 3 plus root 6. In this terms are any adding or any single digits or any rational numbers. Here are different numbers 21, 7 root 2, any root 2 numbers are there? No. Here root 3 numbers, any root 3 numbers are not there. So it is root 6. Any number are there? No. So that is belongs to irrational numbers. Did you understand, children? The product of two irrational numbers will get a rational number, either rational number or irrational number. Okay. The next concept is division method. Properties of irrational numbers, division. Properties of irrational numbers, division or coefficient method. Okay, children. So you have to take the coefficient of two irrational numbers. The coefficient of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. The coefficient of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. The coefficient of two irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. Example. Seven root 3 by 4 root 3. Once observe that. Example is 7 root 3 by 4 root 3. Okay, so in this case of root 3 cancel 7 by 4. It is a fraction, it is a rational number. We know that. It is a rational number. Okay, children. So we have to take here 7 root 3 into 4 root 3 is irrational numbers. We have to take the two irrational number. The coefficient, the division 7 root 3 by 4 root 3 is equal to 7 by 4 belongs to Q means rational numbers. Did you understand, children? The coefficient of two irrational number. Here 7 root 3 and 4 root 3, two are irrational numbers. By using the property of division coefficient method, 7 root 3 by 4 root 3, root 3 cancel, remaining 7 by 4 is there. So that is a fraction is rational number. Okay, children, we have to take the another example. So 5 root 2 and 2 root 3. So in this example 1 and this is the example 2. So in this example 1 is the numerator and the denominator is the same, root 3 is there. So in this case of 5 root 2 by 2 root 3, here irrational numbers are different, root 2 and root 3. In this case, once observe that in this case of first divide the numbers 5 by 2 into root 2 into root 3. So, two numerator and denominator given the different numbers, we do the multiplication and the product of and division root 3 by denominator. Did you understand, children? Root 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Okay. So here write 5 by 2 into root 2 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Okay. Here write 5 by 2 root AB 2 into 3 by root 3 into root 3. It means of root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. Remaining 5 by 2 into 2 3s are 6 by 3. Here write 5 root 6 by 2 into 3. That is 5 root 6 by 6 belongs to irrational number. Okay, children, once observe that only will be getting a fraction means that is a rational number. Here root value is there, root 6 is there, so that is a irrational number. It is a one example and it is another example. So you have to take the coefficient to irrational numbers is either rational number or irrational number. Children, once observe that in properties of irrational numbers, what we observe that you have to take the properties of irrational numbers, addition method and subtraction method and multiplication method and division method. We are do the four methods doing, but in this case of for subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, we will get a rational number and irrational number. Both are there. So in this case of you have to take the any two irrational numbers, we will get operations of fundamental operations of we will get a irrational number or rational number. Did you understand, children? Okay.
Thank you, my dear students. I hope to all understood these problems. Thank you.